This is Jav from No Code MBA. Now, if you're into AI, if you're into apps and no-code tools, then this video is for you because we're going to highlight 3 AI apps that are all built on Bubble. So these are apps that integrate AI into the apps, and they're all built on the no-code platform Bubble. So the 3 that we're going to look at are on your page now. Firstly, MyAsk AI. We also have Formulabot here, and also Byword. The reason I'm showing you this is because if you want to learn more about these different apps and to really dig into them, then check out our podcast. I'll leave a link to that in the description. You can listen to this on YouTube. You can listen to this on all the different podcast apps as well, including Spotify. But these are the 3 businesses that we're going to go through. I'm going to just really go over a general way just to show the problem that they are solving and how they are solving it. So we're going to actually start with this one, Byword. Now, straight away, you can see what the problem they're trying to solve is. It's to generate high-quality AI written articles at scale. So this is a tool that you can use in order to create articles that are going to help you with your SEO purposes, with your content marketing. So what they're doing is they're using AI. They're integrating with AI so that it generates these articles for you. And it's powered by GPT-4. So it's obviously the OpenAI's API. So this is built on Bubble. And what they do is they integrate into OpenAI's AI in order to generate these articles. And this is a really good case study here because it's taking a problem that people have. And the big reason they wanted to start this so that people can have access to high quality articles at scale. They're solving that problem of how can we create more content and how we can put it out there quickly. And this is what it's doing. So it's a very specific way to use AI. And what they've done is they've taken the knowledge that they've learned from the SEO world and put it into this product. And if we just scroll down as well, it says here, this is really interesting, trusted by 45,000 plus marketers. So it's obviously scaled at quite a high rate. And as we scroll down, we can just see that this landing page is quite strong as well, because it's the most advanced platform for producing AI content at scale. You can integrate it into WordPress, Webflow, Zapier, and API access to other types of apps. And then it just talks about the types of articles that they've done as well. The pricing is quite competitive, and I really like this FAQ section here too. So Byword AI is using AI in order to create SEO articles, high quality articles at scale for people who don't generally have access to this. Now, the next one is MyAsk AI. And again, we can see exactly what this does. Create an AI assistant quicker than it takes to make a coffee. So save hours of searching for your customers or team with instant answers from all your content and docs. Now, these chatbots, AI chatbots, are all the rage at the moment, and lots of businesses are integrating them into their platforms. Again, what this does is it simplifies this process for you. Instead of creating your own one on the back end and trying to set up the API, etc., this is going to help you just get it set up seamlessly. So it says here, create your free Ask AI in 2 minutes. Again, they have this social proof here, loved by 30,000 users. And we had a great interview with Mac where he talked about the marketing channels they used and also just the revenue that they've made. And within months, they were making $20,000 monthly recurring revenue. So something that really exploded quickly on this scene. I know, this is solving a very good problem where people have this issue of, I need a chatbot. What's the easiest way to do it? We believe MyAsk AI is a great solution for many people. Now, again, this is built on Bubble and using OpenAI's API connector. If we just go down, we can see the different types of things that they have on their landing page. I think this is quite important for people to know. It gives you the idea about what a good landing page is from these successful companies. And it's talking about here, save customers or employees from asking the same questions and drowning documents with faster, smarter answers. And I like these little GIFs that go on pages that show exactly how to do it. And again, I highly recommend going to the podcast episode that we did with Mac, where he goes through how he built this with the team, the types of things that he came across, the struggles they had, building on Bubble as well, and how he just loves Bubble, and some other things as well. So it's a really good interview. Definitely listen to that after this video. And the last one is one that we featured before on the YouTube channel. It's Formulabot. And this is a great story here about somebody who started out with a very minimal viable product. It went viral, super viral, It's a really interesting story. Again, listen to the episode that we did with David. And then has just built it from there, because a lot of the time you can start off, something goes viral, and then you think, okay, I've made it. And then people can get stale. That is the opposite of what Formulabot have done. They used to be called Excel Formulabot, then they dropped the Excel, and now it is called Formulabot. And this is what it does. It does AI-powered formula generation, data preparation, and data analysis combined into one tool. And the first minimal viable product was basically saying, create your own Excel formula if you put your problem in simple English, and then it will generate that formula for you. But they've moved on from that, and they have different types of products and solutions now. So we can see the different types of formula generators work for Excel formulas. You can do some scripts, basic tax, etc. Some other advanced things as well. And then you can also analyze data with AI, and we love this feature too. So you upload your data, ask questions and get results, data charts and recommendations. So this is something that you can really just ask about your data as you upload it. The pricing is very reasonable as well. The Pro plan is $9 a month. There's also a free plan too. We've just loved to see the growth of Formulabot since it was first introduced. Now, again, definitely listen to this episode on the podcast player, your podcast of choice. In fact, that's what you should go and do now, is to go have a look through, find your favorite episodes of people who have built these successful no-code tools using things like Bubble, Clyde, and also more and more these days using AI. So hopefully you found that useful. If you want to build something using no-code tools and check out our courses, just click the link in the description and take a look at the different courses we have available and see if this is going to add value to you. Now, if you found it useful, then please like this video. Just click that like button and then click the share button and send it to somebody who you think should watch it as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.